Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions.
Picking up here, and they're concerned about flooding here for sure. You can see this is actually a motorcycle club entrance here, a law enforcement motorcycle club. They got the sandbags here just in case this water does get high enough. Hopefully it provides some protection from getting the water inside that building. These streets are lined up north and south. We're seeing a lot of northeasterly winds here right now as we are still hours away from landfall here. As the hurricane gets closer, coming on shore, we're going to see our winds shift more towards the east, and that's where we're going to see some of the strongest winds, tropical storm force winds, perhaps hurricane force winds, increasing throughout the afternoon into this evening. And the wind's really not dying down until perhaps later on tonight, overnight tonight. But we do think if you're in your safe place, great, because the weather will only go downhill as we head throughout the rest of the day into tonight. Tomorrow, a far different concern as the storm is leaving us and pushing that weather farther inland. But here in Louisiana, the center could be cleared by perhaps early afternoon.